Ooh, thought it was in my pants. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, it's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh, baby.
Swimming lang kami, Triple P campsite, Norsagaray. Kaduktong lang din to ng Bacas River. Pero mas okay dito. Ito, kasama ko si Ruel.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all on hoes. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my car to swipe it again. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our hoes. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Floating cottage po. Tsaka 3 entrance. Pa?
Oo, wala silang ticket.
Saan po yan?
Ano yan? Binigay kay kuya. Kasama niyo to?
Hindi po.
Saan kayo po? Sa floating. Di ba, saan yung sasakyan niyo?
Ay, motor po. Ayun. 2.
Hindi, binigyan kayo ticket.
Wala po.
Ilan kayo?
3 po.
Ano ko yung speaker?
1K po.
Sabi ko kaya boss, magdadala akong malang speaker. Sabi may speaker.
Tatlo kayo?
Apo.
Laki floating ha, maghahabol lang kayo sa floating. Wala ka.
Hindi, mas malapit po kasi sa ano eh.
Oo, nakasusuri pa.
Tatalon ka na lang.
Kung pa doon, ay sabi mo nakarenta yun. Bakit? Baka kasi minsan yung mga naglala.
Tsaka po ano po, wifi. Isa.
Aabot ba doon?
Abot po ba?
Abot ba doon?
Abot yan.
Starlink.
Starlink yan eh.
Sa'yo lang?
Malamang, kung gusto nyo, magbayad ka. Ayun o, 50 lang po ako. Yung mapag-report lang.
Mamaya na.
Oo, diba?
Ang girlfriend.
Ito.
Wala ka nang kasama ng girlfriend.
Wala po. Ayaw nga po, baka may sumunod.
Hindi ko rin na lang kaya sabi ko kung madali.
Ay, ID po, no?
Tanong mo, pwede ko tanong mo.
Tapos, sa buka sa Pilipinas.
Ang mabes nun.
Ay, yung best ko kung nalito.
Ako yun.
ID. Ito po, ID. Ay, ito.
Floating na lang. Sino sabi? Ha?
Itong ID mo ako i-check out na.
Sige po, sige.
Soli mo lang si Life Best para mapumunta.
Okay po, thank you. Yung ano po?
Ay, Life Best.
Ka po.
Paano natin, best?
Tatlo. Type best.
Type it lang, talo.
Ultimo Marvin, sabi ko 2 motor lang, 3 motor po.
Nakakahinga. Pagod na ako. Pagod na ako.
Tama mo na ako. Bakit ba? Bakit ba?
Malumot yata. Huwag ka na lang umapak na.
Dito ba sandali dito?
Dito, Dad. Pagod! Oh, pagod ako dun ah.
Padulas ha?
Malalim ba? Malalim ba dito pa nag-guide?
Ito, makikita mo na yung bato. Yosi pa!
Dahil mapakan yung bato. Hindi, parang sinasabi naman sa mga dito.
Mabato?
Lagi ko na Dad!
Dito pwede.
Hindi. Baka ako ka.
Hindi, ayoko.